Alright, I'm nearly done with my project. I have my grill installed, the one that I told you, the Raging Tag one. I actually really like the optics of it. When you go a bit further away it will look like that. And I drilled a hole, put the power button in there. It is all mounted with these 4 little thumb screws. It is a bit offset from the wall of the Ikea drawer, and when we switch over to the other side, there we have the out takeoff. And of the system is all the same screws, same space. When we look at it from the front, you can see the mounting plates. Yes, that's what it looks like from the outside. Yeah, I'm really pleased about that. And then we go to the inside, and it's all very dark because it is all sound dampened. I have one foam piece here on the door, and then the complete, everything inside is sound dampened. And you can see the hole in the top left corner where the cables will exit this cabin, and then in the bottom right there will be a 120mm fan installed. I had to order one. I planned on using a standard 25mm thick fan, but it was too thick. It would interfere with the cables that I already routed, that I told you, like this USB 3 expansion cord and this other USB cable that I usually need for my external hard drive. Then I also already installed, pre-wired the Xbox receiver for my controller. And you can also see the power supply that is mounted on the bottom side of this shelf. Yeah, that's what it looks like inside. I actually really like the outcome of it. I have installed 2 quick disconnects. One goes to the GPU and the other one to the CPU, and I will be able to uninstall like this this board with the components on it without having to drain the system. So that's very nice. It's very, very convenient. If I am gonna do any sort of upgrades or whatever, if something goes wrong and I need to check the system outside of this drawer, I don't need to drain it. But in the case if I need to drain it, I have a drain port right here, and it is yeah, it's really nice. I didn't plan it out to be this convenient, but it just turned out to be perfect, very easy. And here I have the reservoir where I can fill the system. Just is nice. I really, really like the outcome of it, because at the beginning I thought I would have to drill 2 more holes on this side, one for the fill port and one for the drain port. But then when I started building, assembling the system, I actually realized that it wouldn't really be beneficial for me to do that. So this is actually really nice. Also the sound dampening, yeah, I'm really looking forward to the effect of it and how nice it will be and how quiet it will be. I hope it will be very, very quiet. And also the wiring is very stealth. They all are using extension cords, so I can disconnect them very easily when I need to uninstall this shelf with the components on it. Yes, that's what it looks like on the inside. I am amped about this project because I will have water cooling, a rather high-end system with a lot of storage, and it will be in this cabinet. It will be stealth, it will be quiet, it doesn't use any space anymore. And yeah, actually also the optics, in my opinion, looks really good. I hope that I will have good temperatures on the system. I think for the 1080 Ti and the CPU, these two 40mm radiators should be fine, because they really aren't very restricted airflow wise. One thing that is worrying me a little bit is the fan in the back that I need to install somehow. And I am pretty sure that I need this fan for the VRM of this motherboard. That's also why I place it a bit lower than, I mean, it is a little low, because I want to have the best possible airflow for the VRM of this motherboard, because there won't be any fans otherwise there, because this is very direct path of airflow where it comes from the left side inside to the case, and it will be drawn outside on the right side right away. So not much air will find its way to the back of the system, but I need some airflow for the VRM and also for the power supply, where it is the bottom right down there, and there will be a fan there, and I hope it will be fine. I hope the system will be fine. I know the hardware works because I already installed Windows and such on it when it was air cooled, and so that's all ready to go. But yeah, it will be a few more days, if not weeks, until I get the system actually up and running as my daily driver. And yeah, until then I will do some update videos, keeping you up to date how the performance is and just overall how the usability of the system is going to be. I hope it will be good. Yeah, alright. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.